Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Leadpages for your marketing campaigns step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Leadpages website. Log in to your Leadpages account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Landing Page button, typically located at the top right corner. A template selection window will appear. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your marketing campaign. Click on the template you wish to use, then select. Use the drag-and-drop editor to customize your landing page. To modify text, click on the text box you want to edit. A text settings panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Type in your desired copy and adjust the font, size, and color to match your branding. Next, add images or videos by clicking on the Add button in the left sidebar. Select image or video from the options provided, then upload your media files. Once you've added media, you can resize or reposition them as needed. To integrate forms, click on the form element from the left sidebar. Drag the form element onto your page where you want it to appear. Configure the form fields by clicking on the form and adjusting settings in the sidebar. Set up the submission action for the form by specifying where the data should go. Scroll down to find the settings option in the left sidebar and click on it. Choose your preferred email integration or choose to download leads manually. Once everything looks good, click on the preview button to see how your page will appear to visitors. If you need to make adjustments, go back to the editor as needed. When you're satisfied, hit the Publish button located at the top right. You'll be prompted to choose a domain for your landing page. Select an existing domain or create a new one if necessary. After confirming your domain selection, click Publish again to finalize. Your landing page is now live and ready to attract visitors. Lastly, track your campaign's performance using the analytics tools provided by Leadpages for insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.